here with Oliver Fleming from birddogit.com, and this is your first the Pondology seminar. What do you think?
It's been great so far. The property itself is beautiful. Meeting all these amazing guys and landowners who have ponds and people who are managing the ponds for them. It's great to sit in the classroom and learn about it, and then come out in the outdoors and actually do the field work, do the practical stuff, learning these techniques on how to manage a pond and develop trophy bass or even world-class bass, depending on what your goal is for the property. And I was in college only a couple years ago. It seems a lot longer ago than it actually is, but was a wildlife major, and I wasn't able to do any aquaculture or fish management classes. So it's really kind of a sweet treat to be able to come out here and take a crash course in fish management and learn the ropes on
this is the real hands-on.
No, this is the real stuff.
You don't get this kind of hands-on in college.
No, you can't sit in the classroom and learn this stuff. It's all the practical stuff. So we have this beautiful lake behind us. We're electro-fishing right now. Going to Jimmy Houston's place tomorrow to learn more, and I'm just super excited for what the rest of the weekend has.
Don't do that every day, do you?
No, you don't. It's once in a lifetime opportunity.
Thanks, Oliver. Appreciate it, man.
Yes, sir. Absolutely.